guys, finally he sleeps, back again with another Temu finds unboxing and review video. Today we're going to take a look at Ultimate Scratch and Swirl Remover. Somebody scratched the wife's van, and we buy a lot of stuff on Temu for the shop. I just want to point this out. I didn't do that. I have no idea if the mailman got overexcited when he was bringing this to me or what, but yeah. Anyway, the van got scratched, and ooh, it is, the lid's broke. That's what the issue is. Okay, so there's a lot going on. This is a very happy bottle of Ultimate Scratch and Swirl Remover. We got a scratch on the van. Looks like somebody keyed it clear down the side, and went to wash it and try to rub it out, and it didn't. So I definitely need to either buff it out or something that's like, well, I don't have any scratch remover at the house. It was on Temu. We buy a lot of Temu stuff for the shop, everything from like zip clips to shop towels and everything. There's some great deals on there if you're just buying stuff in bulk. It is, if you have a mechanic shop or anything like that, it is like a mail order Costco for small shop needs. And anyway, we ordered a lot of stuff. This was a incredibly cheap bottle, and I thought, let's try it out. And this is what we do here. We try it so you don't have to, and we'll let you know the results. So this is ReviveBee Ultimate Scratch and Swirl Remover, and hopefully yours won't arrive satisfied. It's like any scratch and swirl remover. You gotta, well, we gotta shake it up first. I don't want to shake this bottle up. Just gonna say it. I don't want to do it. I'm just gonna put some on the rag and just yeah, it's coming out a little runny. Instructions are pretty standard. You just put it on the rag, rub it onto the swirl marks or the scratch, and you're using it like a buffing compound. So we're just going to try it, and you can actually see it taking, yeah, it's actually buffing the scratch right out. And we tried to get the scratch off using we used some window cleaner, and we used some wax just to do it, but I didn't have any buffing compound at the house. So this is working. Holy hell. It's taking it right off. Let's see, this scratch goes all the way down the side. I don't know if somebody went along with a bicycle and got it or what, but yeah, it's like minimal effort. I'm just pressing down a little bit. I mean, I could spend some time on this or get on an electric or a pneumatic buffing wheel and really go to town on it, but it's not that important. It's really just taking it off. I'm impressed. Right now, I'm impressed. Yeah, it's wiping it off, buffing it out. You can see it took all that scratch right off the side of the van. Unbelievable. And dirt cheap. Like a third of the price I would have paid for it in the store here. Temu finds. I'm gonna call it. This one was well worth it. All right. ReviveBee Ultimate Scratch and Swirl Remover. It removes scratches and swirls, and it was safe and easy to apply by hand, or I guess you could have used Orbital. It worked. I am beyond impressed, as cheap as this was. So yet another Temu find that was worth its weight in gold. Hope this information helped. If it did, make sure you subscribe here on the channel so you never miss when a video goes live. I love it. Finally, he sleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.